give a demonstration of block building, and I'm going to demonstrate this with using Elementor, which is my preferred block builder. So I have a picture here. This is the awards page of my personal website. And how did I get that there? What I did was, you see this block here, it's ready for me to tell WordPress what I want here. And so I can hit the plus sign and it will ask me, how do I want this structured? If I choose this, I'll just have one big picture like this. If I choose this one, then it would give me space to insert two things. And right now I actually haven't selected that I want this to be a picture yet, but I know that I will want it to be a picture. So that's why I'm saying that. So I can choose any of these that I like. So I'm just going to do this since I know I want another picture. And then that's now this here, and I can now tell it just click on it, tell it what I would like once I've clicked on that plus to edit inside there. It will show me my different options, and I can just drag this image into there, and now I can put an image in there. So I could just click edit, and it will allow me to insert an image. Let's say though I look at this and I'm like, oh, these two pictures together, that really doesn't look very good. I don't like that. There's no text. How do I get text in between the two? Well, I could just go back here, click the plus bar, and I have another block. And for this one, let's say, I'm just going to choose this one again. I want to put maybe a heading, so I can just drop the heading over here, and then I can edit what the heading says. So award in 2019, something like that. And so now I have that done, and you just click off anything, so go down here, just click to get off of that one. So let's say I want another thing here, and let's say I want to do this way. And let's take a look at what do we want to include in here. Let's see. Let's say, and just look at all the choices we have. Portfolio means there's this that you can do. This kind of square photos, a gallery. You can choose, again, a lot of photos as portfolio. They're all the same size. Gallery, you can change the sizes. You can have a form that people fill out. You can, there's so many things you can do here. But so just kind of look through and see, whatever do I want here? What would I like? What would look good here? And so just because I'm going to be kind of fast about it, let's say I am going to do a icon list on that side, in which then I could do that. And over here, what do I want? Let's say I want to do a little video. And so now I have all these here, and I can then edit, which we'll do in another video. But this is what you do with a basic block builder, and Elementor is the one I personally prefer. It's free, it's robust, you can do many things with it, and it creates a nicely finished website. Now, if you are a professional, you might want to look at Divi, D-I-V-I. It costs. However, if you're going to be doing this professionally, it might be worth it. And Elementor, there is a professional version that can do even more, but it's more expensive than Divi. And if we're looking at paying, I would probably pay for Divi before paying for Elementor. But if it's free, Elementor all the way. Much better than Gutenberg.